This trick I learned from a cleaning lady. She puts baking soda in the lime peels. To start today's tip, let's use 5 limes and cut them all in half. The ideal for this tip is to use only the shells. So as soon as you cut all in half, with the help of a juicer, we will completely remove the liquid from all the limes. You can use to make a juice or whatever you prefer. Once we fully separate the shells, we will continue our tip. Now in a pot, I will add a liter of water. We will also use the shells, being the main item for this recipe. The ideal is to leave on the fire until it boils completely. Once it is at this point, we can add baking soda, being one of the main items for this tip. And the ideal amount for use is 2 tablespoons ideally. Mix well until the baking soda is completely diluted. Once you are at this point, we will remove the pan from the fire. And then with the help of a sieve, we will completely remove the liquid, being the most important for the mixture. Next, we will also use 150 milliliters of vinegar. It is the ideal amount for this mixture. Vinegar acts directly in contact with lime and baking soda, which makes this tip perfect for use in your home. Finally, we will also use 200 milliliters of detergent. This item is essential in the mixture for its great performance in removing stains and fats. We will mix one last time. And with this, we already have our tip today ready for use. To facilitate the application, I will put the liquid completely in a spray bottle. This amount we prepare is more than enough for use for at least 2 weeks. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jennifer Nault. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I'm sure you will thank me for the use of this mixture. It serves all types of surfaces. I am demonstrating the use of this mixture directly in my kitchen. I can use even for cleaning the stove and refrigerator. With the weekly use of this mixture, I can directly avoid all stains. Tell me later if you got the expected result for this tip. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.